Hey guys, it's Julie E, and I wanted to talk to you about castor oil, an ancient remedy. The bottle only costs about $14 and can last for months. And for many, many years, people would put it on a cotton flannel, put it on their intestines with a heating pad, or put it on your kidneys with a heating pad. I don't know too many people that are willing to sit around these days with oil and a heating pad on their body. And so most of the time I just ditch the flannel and I have people use the castor oil topically. I have never actually recommended internally. Your grandparents probably did that. If you put castor oil on your lower belly, on your liver, gallbladder, and your lower back, your kidney area, then get in the shower. By the time you are done, you have just given all your detox organs, your entire assembly line, a treatment. So if you can do that a few times a week, you can keep your organs in tip-top shape, and therefore you will always have a healthy body and a healthy day. And you can definitely do that for your babies too.